Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to share with you the best strategy to manage Cash App for students. So the best strategy to manage Cash App for students is controlled budgeting and awareness. You want to treat Cash App as a spending account for daily needs rather than a place to store large balances. Set informal weekly or monthly spending limits and check your balance before making non-essential purchases. Use transaction notes to track expenses like food, transport, or study materials. Enable alerts so that every payment is immediately visible, helping to prevent overspending. Avoid peer pressure transfers and only send money for agreed purposes. If income such as allowances or part-time pay comes through Cash App, then transfer savings out immediately. Discipline and visibility are the key to keeping student finances manageable and, of course, stress-free. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.